Hi my friends, welcome back. So I guess you all enjoyed your Sunday. So today is a Monday, a new start. So next chapter is interpolation, extrapolation. So in this chapter we'll be seeing the definition of interpolation, extrapolation, the assumptions, and both the methods, that is Newton's advancing difference method and the binomial expansion method. So first, the definitions. Interpolation, it is the technique of estimating the value of the dependent variable y for any intermediate value of the independent variable x. And extrapolation is the technique of estimating the value of dependent variable y for any of the value of independent variable x which is outside the range of the given series. Next is the assumptions. There are no sudden jumps in the values of dependent variables from one period to another, and there will be no consecutive missing in the series. The methods are binomial expansion, Newton's advancing difference method. So in binomial expansion method, it's applicable where the values of the independent variable has a common difference, that is, it should be in arithmetic progression, and the value of x for which the value of y is to be interpolated must be one of the values of x. Okay, we will just do one problem of binomial expansion and one problem of Newton's advancing. So yeah, this will be one of the sum that we are doing today. So they have clearly asked in the question to interpolate and extrapolate the values. So these two values are missing over here. So first, during interpolation and extrapolation, the first step that you do is name, that's y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5, and then you count how many values are given in the question. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is expressed as y minus 1 to the power of 4, because there are 4 values given, that's 15, 13, 8 and 5. Okay, next you write y4. Start from the beginning. You start writing it in descending order: y4, y3, y2, y1 and y0. Next you put the symbols. First is always addition, because A is the starting letter, you remember it like that. Just alternate the signs. Okay, next step, you need to draw the Pascal's triangle. So it's 1, 1, 1, and then you add. You write the first number as it is, 1, and then it's 2. Okay, it should come in the middle. 2, 1, and then you write the first number as it is again. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, 1. And then first number as it is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4 and 1. Okay, so since we've written y minus 1 to the power of 4, you write it till the fourth one, and then you write all these numbers as it is: 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 over here. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Next, you just substitute the values. 1 into y4 is 15, minus 4 into y3 is 13, plus 6 into y2 is not given, so you write 6y2, minus 4 into y1 is 8, plus 1 into 5, y0 is 5. Okay, now you do this on the calculator and you type it on the calculator. 1 into 15 minus 4 into 13, okay, minus 4 into 8, plus 1 into 5. So you get minus 64. Okay, 64 divided by 6. Okay, you do that on the calci and you get 10.6666. So any number after 5 should be rounded off to the next number. So I'm just going to take it as 10.67. So now we have found out the value for y2. Next we need to find out the value for y5. We need to find out the value for y5. So you write it again. y5, y4, y3, y2 and y1. You do not write y0 because we need to find it from y5 to y1. Okay, and we've already found out y2 value. Okay, next you alternate the signs. Plus first, minus, plus, minus and plus. Okay, and then you take down the values like 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1. Okay, so take down the values 1 4 6 4 and 1. Okay, next is 1 y5 because you do not know the value of y5 minus 4 into 15. Okay, wait. 4 into 15 plus 6 into 13 minus 4 into 10.67 plus 1 into 8. Now you do this on the calculator. So after you do this on the calculator, you get minus 16.68. So you write y5 minus 16.68 is equal to 0. So when 16.68 goes to the other side, it becomes plus. So it is 16.68. Minus becomes plus. Okay. So hence, therefore, you write the interpolated value of x is of y2 is, okay, $10.67 and ignore my handwriting. Extrapolated value of y5 is 16.68. Okay, I hope you understood the binomial expansion method, and now we move on to Newton's advancing difference method. Newton's advancing difference method, we need to actually remember this table. Y1 minus y0 is equal to delta 1 naught. Y2 minus y1 is equal to delta 1 1. So you actually go on subtracting the y values, that is the second value minus the first value. First difference is going to be delta 1, second difference is going to be delta 2, third difference is going to be delta 3, and the fourth difference is going to be delta 4. Okay, we just take a simple example right now. And these are the two formulas for Newton's advancing method. First is yx is equal to y0 plus x delta 1 naught plus x into x minus 1 by 2 factorial delta 2 0 plus x minus 1 to x minus 2 by 3 factorial, and it continues. And to find x, the formula is the value of x to be interpolated minus the value of x at the origin divided by the difference between the two adjoining values of x. So this is the question, and the question is going to be asked like, from the following data given below, interpolate the number of persons living in the age of 25 years. They might they might tell you which method to use. If they do not, just use the method in which you are comfortable. Okay, so here the next table will be first difference. I'm just writing short forms, do not write short forms. Next you name this, okay, y0, y1, y2 and y3. Okay, then first difference, y1 minus y0 is equal to delta 1 naught, so that is going to be 49 minus 53, that is minus 4. Okay, next is these two. So y2 minus y1 is equal to delta 1 1. So y2 is 36 minus 49 is equal to minus 13. Next is y3 minus y2 is equal to be delta 1 2, that is 23 minus, oh sheesh, I'm sorry, this is y3, 23 minus 36, which is going to be minus 13. So this is the first difference. Next is the second difference. Okay, so that's going to be you write it in the middle of these two. So delta 1 1 minus delta 1 naught is equal to delta 2 0. So minus 13 minus of minus 4, so that's going to be minus 9. Yeah, and delta between these two, delta 1 2 minus delta 1 1 is equal to delta 2 1. Okay, this is 0. Okay, so that's going to be minus 13 minus of minus 13, that's going to be 0. So you do this method till you have only one left. Okay, so here it was 3, you have 3 different values. Here it's 2 values, and now it's going to be 1 value. So you stop it when you get 1 value. So next is delta 2 1 minus delta 2 0 is equal to delta 3 0. 0 minus of minus 9, that's going to be 9. Okay, next you write the formula for x, that's value of x to be interpolated minus value of x at origin. Okay, divided by difference between two adjoining values of x. Okay, so that's that. So value of x to be interpolated, they have asked us in the question living in the age of 25 years. So that's the value of x that we should interpolate. So that is 25 minus value of x at the origin. Origin is nothing but 20. 25 minus 20 divided by difference between two adjoining values of x. So you need to see the difference between all these. 50 minus 40 is 10, 40 minus 30 is 10. So 25 minus 20 divided by 10, that is nothing but 0.5. Now we write down the formula for yx. Okay, so yx is equal to y naught plus x into delta 1 0 plus x into x minus 1 by 2 factorial. Next is delta 2 0 plus x into x minus 1 x minus 2 by 3 factorial. Okay, now you substitute. Okay, so yx is equal to y naught is 53 plus x is 0.5, delta 1 0 is minus 4 plus 0.5x, x minus 1 is 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, and then minus 9. Okay, delta 2 0 is minus 9 plus 0.5 is x, 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 minus 2, okay, divided by 3 factorial and into 9. Okay, 9 is nothing but delta 3 0. Now you do this on the calculator. So to calculate this, I will show you all how to do it on the calculator. So you do everything of this in the first lot, this in the second lot, and the entire that in the third lot. So first you need to solve this, okay? So you just do on the calculator. I hope you can see, okay? 0.5 close bracket, open the bracket, -4, and then equals, you get -2 plus 53, you get 51. Okay, so you write that down. I've written 51 down, and then you open the bracket for the second lot. Okay, 0.5, close the bracket, 0.5 minus 1, close, and then equals, divided by 2, shift, and then this sign gives you factorial, the one in your logic. Okay, equals, and then into bracket -9. So you get 1.125. I've written that down. And then next is the third lot. Open the bracket, 0.5, close the bracket, 0.5 minus 1, close the bracket, open the bracket, 0.5 minus 2, close the bracket, equals, and then divided by 3, shift, factorial, equals, into 9, equals. So you get 0.5625. Okay, now this is 51. Okay, so 51 plus 1.125 plus 0.5625, that is 52.687. So since this number is after 5, it's going to be rounded off to 53, and that's the answer. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, go down the comment box and comment all your queries, and I hope that I'll be able to clear all of them. Thank you.